So there's a trade at 46.50 you can take off the board right now after getting in. Prices continue to move up. 15-minute indicators across the board remain clear to be long. Next major resistance on the 15-minute chart is 47.75, and that is located here. Remember, people, 46.50, that's located at the 15-minute bar's resistance level. Longer-term holders, you're still good. Short-term holders could have got out at 46.50 after the preferred entry at 45 and 75. Price is now moving to the upside, a little higher. A little higher. Again, looking to get above that 46.50 on a 15-minute chart. Once again, plenty of time to get out on a rally at the 46.50. Trading the ES near month 914. This is Jeff Killian, Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician. Market has just recently opened, 9:32 a.m. 0932 hours at 6/27/2014. Once again, one more shot to get out at 46.25 was held 46.50. Finding superior resistance on the 15-minute chart here based on 46.50 is laid out again by this level, broadcasted out into the future. MFI remains clear to be stay long. Checking money flow, clear to remain, stay long, although oscillating down and then back up at that resistance level. SMI clear to be long. EMAs are good, MACD's good. And right back to. Now, we recommended several times to be out at the early morning price profit target at 46.50, and that appears to be the case for the short-term holders. Long-term holders, if you will take the risk on the extended hold time, you're holding at 46, and your test to the downside is back at the preferred entry at 1945.75. If prices can hold 45.75 and even 45.50, resistance becoming temporary support, there is a shot that prices could continue to trade to the upside. What's in front of you is that you have a market open. It is now 9:34. And on market open, there is always increased volatility looking for the daily direction. So short-term holders, there was a quick profit, 45.75 to 46.50 for 3 quarters. And then again, long-term holders, if you get below 45.50, why don't we consider getting out of this trade as fast as possible? So far, our methodology has identified with and picked up all the way up to here after highs came through 46.50, right? A target that was reached on a 15-minute chart on good volume, good 15-minute indicator formations, positive to be long. And we have successfully one more time identified and traded with the institutional players. Now we're really looking to get to 47.75. That's where I'm focused. And as we get there, that's the serious price profit target to get out at now. 47.75, you have it, people. You can take that off of the board. Those prices are being held. That's a 2-point move in 5 minutes time. 2 points times $50 for a full point move is $100 times 20 contracts traded is $2,000. Fifteen-minute indicators across the board remain clear to be stay long. Here you have it. Checking money flow. You're clear. Now remember, people, this is a different target. This is superior resistance right here at the 47.75 level, people. Superior resistance. That's a great target to get out at, right? You can still get out at 47 and book it. I'm already out of this trade. I got out of this trade as soon as 47.75 was reached. Prices retraced, and on the close right here. at 936 for 1947.50. As possibilities, I will get back into this trade, but right now that's booked. $47.50 on the out. Possibilities of getting back in, but where superior resistance was located at 75. And we couldn't get through that, as we can't still within the current 1 minute bar at 937. That's good enough for me for now. As we get more participation in the form of more volume coming in, there are possibilities that prices can get through this and get another leg to the upside, people. That can shortly be in play right now. Okay, on a test, looking for the possibilities. Get back in at 1948, right? The test is there. Prefer to see increased volume across the board on the 15-minute indicators. You are good. You are good. We prefer to see the increased volume in order to trade a second leg with a lot of confidence. Long-term holders, you're good to stay. You're still good. Setting an additional stop to the downside, a quarter point below what you've gained here right now would be advisable to be out to lock in. Anything lower than this, long-term holders, you don't want to get back. Don't want to get back a lot. Okay, people, price is trading back down now. I'm going to cut the tape for today on a quick trade, a very fast trade on market opening. We have successfully pulled in a nice profit early on in at 1946 at 932, out at 1947. 50 leaves 1.5 points to me. 1.5 times $50 for every full point move is $75 contract gain times 20 contracts traded. It's $1,500. Not bad for lunch money. That's a $1,500 gain to me. Now, again, possibilities of prices trading back up again, people. Now we see the increased volume coming in, correct? Indicators across the board. MFI is clear. Everybody's clear to remain. Looking for the next target to the upside here, all the way up. 49.75, right? So according to this methodology here at this point, I'm looking for the close at 48. I need that close at 48. And we don't have it. We don't have it yet. We have a probe, but no close above. As you can see, the probe is in effect to get through 47.75. 47.75. We've already reached that target, and we're looking to get through that up to 49.75, possibly here, right? But 49.75 would be the next target. So for now, the bets are off on the additional move, the secondary move, up and until more volume comes in to push these prices through here and keep moving to the upside. You've already locked in 1.5 points for $1,500 early on. The secondary move is possible, traders, but not until. Long-term holders, We talked about getting below this point here. That happened on the low, so the recommendation to get out just below this level here, which was on a close at 1947, would have got you out at 1946.75. MTM within that bar located at 939. Cut the risk and lock in. Now, since that was taken out to the downside, prices have reversed back up. We got a probe at 1948.50, but we have no confirmation on a close at 1948. And now we have prices hit, once again, trading to the downside from there. And let's take a look at the 15-minute indicators. SMI is clear. Large bar up. EMAs, SMI. Money flow index, checking money flow straight up. And there we have it, getting through to another level on lighter volume. Longer term holders, you're clear to stay long. And getting up and through to 48.50 on a 1-minute target. 9:42 a.m., 6/27/2014, live trading room managing ES Trade in real time. Near contract month, 9/2014. Price is stable. Total recorded contracts at 9:43, 59.86 lots. Holding at 18:48 on a 1-minute bar in real time. 36 seconds left within this current 1-minute bar. And price is trading right back down now. Right back down to the secondary entry point here, holding at 47.75. Look at the size of the move, people. Look at the size of the move here since the market opening, here to here. Look at the relative comparison of that as compared to this area here. We are through this. We have 55 seconds left within the current 15-minute bar. 15-minute indicators are clear, remain clear to be long. Until this bar is closed out, that resistance level still stands. The change will not be absolute on the 15-minute charts until this bar closes out now in somewhat 30 seconds, people. And back down to 47.75, superior resistance right here. So for now, I'm going to cut the tape. And we'll roll with this today as another profitable trade identified by us here. Myself, Jeff Killian, Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician, and Brad Logan, Expert Trader, Technical Analyst, and Administrator for the watch that runs, the session that runs in our live trading room from 10:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. Prices continue to move to the upside, and we'll report back on that another time. Signing off at 9:45 on 6/27/2000.